Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change theme on Tonkeeper Wallet. For that, make sure you get the Tonkeeper Wallet and you're logged into your account. Now at this homepage, at the top, you can see the wallet. Firstly, you need to tap over there and you need to choose the wallet that you want to change the theme of. Currently, I only have one wallet, but if you have multiple, you can choose the one that you want to change the theme of. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. And at the top right, you can see the settings icon. You need to tap over there. And you'll be led to this kind of interface once again. And just below security, you can see the theme option. You need to tap over there. And here you can see 4 options: deep blue, dark, light, and system. Now you can choose the one according to your preference. For this video, I will go for the light one. After you are done, you can simply go back. And now you can see that your theme has been changed. And this is how you can change theme on Tonkeeper Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.